Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your off day yesterday and got all those missing assignments turned in, please. Today we are going to do our first quick talk and we're going to have cardio day. So a lot of you wanted cardio day, so if you were one of those people, today is for you. So our first quick talk today, we're going to start doing this about once a week. Just a quick little topic, try to teach you something academic that's not necessarily about working out. So we're going to talk about drinking water and have an option for your cardio today. As you can see, Pikachu here is just sipping his water, which is the best way to do it. We'll talk about that. Okay, so today you have 4 tasks. You're going to watch my video, review the information from the quick talk, choose your cardio workout, and you have a video submission for your homework tonight. Okay, so here we go. You're watching my video. Nice. Task 2, quick talk. Here we go. Sip, don't gulp. This is the best advice I was ever given about drinking water during a workout. Regardless of what you're doing, no matter how parched you feel, we've probably all been there. All we wanted to do is just chug water, or it couldn't come out of the water fountain fast enough. And then like 30 seconds later, you feel it in your gut right as you're about to go start working out again, and you feel it like jiggle around. Yeah, so although it feels good in the moment, okay, think about the idea of sipping during a workout and not gulping. Okay, it's going to help you feel better throughout the duration of that workout. So on this chart here, there's 11 health benefits that have to do with drinking water. So first one says you'll lose weight at a faster rate. You flush out toxins from your body. You improve your muscle endurance and flexibility. Your ability to focus and concentrate and get sharper. You boost your metabolic rate. You get a glowing and healthier skin complexion. Lower the risk of diseases. Water promotes the growth of healthy hair. You're able to stimulate your digestive system, improves blood circulation, and you're re-energized and uplifts your mood. So a lot of these, especially when we're stuck at home in quarantine right now, are very, very important, like uplifting your mood. Okay, drinking glasses of water every single day can do that without you even realizing it. So think about drinking more water. I know it's tough when we just sit around all day to remember to drink water, but it is very, very important. Okay. All right, choose your cardio workout for today. So there's 6 options here. You can pick whichever one you want. So some of you might have an elliptical and want to do that. Go for it. Some of you, your only option might be running in place. Go for it. Okay, so option 1 is going to be an outdoor run. Option 2, indoor run. Option 3, running stairs. So if you have stairs in your house or if there's stairs outside, wherever you can find stairs, even if you just have 2 stairs, just go up and down, up and down, up and down those 2 stairs. An outdoor bike ride or an indoor bike ride. Okay, whatever you choose should be done for 20 minutes. After those 20 minutes, you're going to make your video submission of why you chose that workout. Okay, so you must hit these 4 bullet points in your video. So first, you have to say your name. Second, it has to be at least 30 seconds in length. Okay, I'm going to start taking off points if it's under 30 seconds, as well as late work. All right, we're a few weeks in now, so we should be hitting all of those requirements. Number 3, talk about which option you chose and why you chose it. So why did you choose running inside versus running outside? And then number 4, talk about which option you would choose next time. So did you like what you chose? Would you choose it again, or would you choose something else? All right, after those 30 seconds, you are going to upload it here into your April 30th cardio exit ticket assignment tab. If you have any questions, let me know.